What needs to be done in order to stop a sale? You're in a situation where you've already received a sale date from the sheriff. What does that mean? That means that the bank has already gone through the foreclosure process. You either haven't answered the complaint, you either didn't make an appearance, you don't have an attorney, or it's at the end of the line. You've done all those things, but you're losing the case. Now the sheriff has set a date to sell your home. It's either on the steps of your home or it's on the steps of the courthouse. What do you do? Well, there are several things that are possible in order to help to stop the sale. One thing, get in touch with the opposing counsel. Get in touch with the attorney's office that has made the filing with the sheriff's office in order to set the sale. What is that going to do for you? That's going to show them that you're trying to work things out with the bank. Remember, in order for the bank to sell this home, they have to pay. They have to pay for the sale, they have to pay for all the attorney's hours, and they have to pay for the court as well. If the bank sees that there's a possibility that it can be worked out with them and the homeowner for some sort of change in terms for the loan, they'll do it. Because otherwise, they have to sell the home for the market value. If that market value is less than what's owed on the home, that means they're going to lose money. Bank is a for-profit business. They don't want to lose money. So if they can figure out a way that they're going to get you to pay or someone else to pay the amount that's owed to them, they're going to do it. So first, contact the attorney that's setting the sale date. Second, contact the bank. All right? Find out if there's any other way that you can come to terms with the bank in order to change the amount owed, change the fact that you're late. All right? Get some sort of modification documents. The more time you get for yourself, the more you can do. We don't know what's going to happen in 30 days. We don't know what's going to happen in a year from now. So the more time you have to change your financial situation, the more time and the better it's going to be for you to keep that home. So the first two things you should do, contact the attorney that's working for the bank to see if you could figure out a way to postpone the sale, to tell them that you're working with the bank on changing the terms of the loan. And number two, contact the bank. Now, putting those two things aside, the most important thing that anybody needs to do that has a sale date already scheduled, contact an attorney. An attorney will be able to file an emergency motion, depending on the state that you're in, requesting the court to put a stay on the sale. What is that going to do? That'll give the attorney time to contact the attorney, contact the bank, put together some sort of package to send out to show what's going to happen, if you're going to be able to afford it, or you know what, at the end of the day, nothing can be done. But you need to speak to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, contact an agency next to you that's going to provide you with free legal advice. Because free legal advice is better than no advice. That's the bottom line.